Hey there, my name is Kathy. Welcome to the Junk Shack, baby. I am starting you off with my favorite picture of Santa, and then we're going to jump right into this project. I bought these wood shapes from Dollar Tree with all intentions of using them as little feet on these decorative plaques. I just imagine he would be the Santa at my favorite blues bar where the best music I've ever heard comes out of. Now you know a little something about me. I am going to remove the little wings from these angels. I will then be staining these boards and attaching the feet on the bottom with some wood glue. In addition to the angels, I also have snowmen. Want to bet he drives a black Cadillac? This will be my lighter set of decorative risers. I'm using the mineral chalk paint. I will then paint these two's feet white, and I'll apply a little decal you'll see later. And on the wood ones, I dab black paint onto these stamps that I picked up at a thrift store for $1 or $2. And I'm going to stamp the wood plaques. Real life here, the first one always turns out like crap, but you'll see that I do restamp it. For these stained risers, I will be painting the bottom and the legs black after I glue them on. Wood glue works best wood to wood with no paint in between. Using the stripes on my little craft paper, I line each one of these pieces up and I use another piece to evenly space them from the edges. I then put heavy objects on them and I let them dry overnight. Neither of my daughters would be allowed to sit on his lap. Again, the stained ones are black underneath, where the lighter ones I painted white. A pack of rub-on stickers from Dollar Tree. I cut my two favorite sayings out. I wanted them to be very little, and I put one on this one and another on the other. Here I am using that really pale, opaque Dollar Tree white paint to streak it, and it really turns out perfect. I love how easy it is. The stuff kind of reminds me of colored glue. It goes on, looks kind of like that, but it just leaves the perfect glazed look, I guess I want to call it glazed. I don't know what it is. You'll see at the end. I do apply a coat of the clear wax to all of these risers. It would be really, really, really hard for me to pick a favorite out of either of these two sets. I like them both, and they can both fit into my decor. But I guess I would probably pick these. I like how simple they are, with just the tiniest little feel-good saying. I am way too wise to sit on that Santa's lap. Leave me a comment below. Tell me, which ones do you like better? The slider colored or the darker wood stained with the black bottom? Make sure you're subscribed. We just got a new shed, and the way they get it in the backyard is so cool. You don't want to miss that. Don't forget, you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and on Instagram. Thanks a bunch for watching. See you guys next week. Same time, same place. Junk Shack, baby.